Good day, teachers. Today I wanted to show you how to use transparency mode on your new viewboards. This is a feature that you might want to use whenever you want to write on top of something like a web page, ebook, or slideshow, but have access to a few more better tools that little triangle onboard tool menu gives you on the viewboard itself. If you remember transparent overlay in Smart Notebook, this Windows toggles button works very similarly. In order to use transparency mode, you first have to launch the Whiteboard software. You can use this feature without signing in, but if you want to save anything that you do need to sign in order to use it. If you're just doing something quick, don't bother to sign in. The Windows toggle is this button right here that I am pointing at on your main toolbar inside of the software, and it creates that transparency. So you click it, and now I'm looking at a page in my browser that has a slideshow running in it. And this is what the toolbar looks like. Okay, so I can pick it up and move it around. Clicking it once minimizes it to make it small. And then if I click the pen tool, it expands so you can see that I have all the same tools, the shapes, the eraser, the text tool that I have in the full version of the Whiteboard software. Click that pen tool twice to get your full array of colors, and you can just write on top of anything that's on your screen. Now you cannot interact with things on your screen because basically there's a transparency floating over top of all of it, but you can create notes this way. If I use that switch and toggle back again, you can see that my writing has disappeared, so it doesn't save. So, question mark. What if I do want to save something that I have created, let's say for some students who are absent? So the solution to that is to use the screen capture tool, which is right here, screenshot, and you can choose to either snap the whole screen or do a custom snap. So I'm just going to drag that over my web page with my quote-unquote notes on it, and you can see what it does is just drop it right into the Whiteboard software. So you can do what you like and save it in any way you like from there. If I wanted to share this with students, I would probably go to the Save menu and export my notes. And the reason I would choose export is because I'd probably want to make it a PDF, and exporting is the only way that you can get that option. Otherwise, you're saving it as an OLF file. So export it, tell it where to go. And now I've saved those as notes that I can share with my students in Google Classroom. Thank you. Have a day filled with love and learning. And if you need anything at all, see your ITRT.